Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir, ma'am. My name is Lenny Escopete Vidalio, 36 years old, from Bagakay, Gubat, Sorsogon City, Philippines.
And your marital status?
I am married.
Do you have kids?
I have 3 kids. My firstborn is 17 years old, my secondborn is 12 years old, and my youngest is 7 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have seven siblings, and I am the youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate
Why did you not go to college?
because of our financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
I previously worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of children and do the house chores. And I finished my contract.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
I also work in Philippines for 1 year, and I do the same. I take care of kids and do the house chores.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking and I am willing to learn anything.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to give my children a good future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tattoos?
I will stay calm, talk to them with soft voice, give them what they want, and play with them.
What is your message to your future employer?
Their employer, I promise that I will be a good worker. I will assure you that I am honest, trustworthy, and if you have a kids, I promise that I will love them as my own and I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.